Our goal is to provide our customers and our patients with honest, ethical treatment solutions for the concerns that they're having with their teeth. We take a lot of pride in making sure we provide multiple solutions for patients' challenges that they're facing, whether it be with their smile, whether they be with their digestion, whether they be with comfort. The solutions we seek to provide for them will bring the latest in technology and the highest level of care to them with the training and the technologies that we offer in our practice.
Dr. Bhullar and the team here couldn't have been better. They gave me exactly what I wanted, even better than I wanted. I walked out, my expectations were hopeful at best, and I walked out blown away. It couldn't have been better.
I never felt embarrassed when I had to show him that I wasn't embarrassed. I didn't feel judged like I did other places. He never asked me, how did this happen to you, or what were you not doing? Never, not once. He only wanted to help me come up with a solution. And so that was very important to me, is to not feel judged.
When patients walk through our door, we want to provide them a warm, non-judgmental environment. We're not here to criticize or critique their previous experiences, whether they're fearful of their previous dental experiences, whether their background or their family situations have maybe not allowed them to have the ideal care. We want to find solutions for them. So if you're out there and you're looking for solutions for your teeth, we strive to provide you the best options that are available in the world. We have the latest in the technology. We've got a compassionate team. Please reach out, give us a call. We look forward to providing you the smile that you deserve and providing you with the life that you want to live.
Thank you, Dr. Bhullar, for everything, from taking me from a place of where I was with no confidence and a place of just trying to hope for a better life, to grabbing my hand and making it real and bringing the hope to fruition. The warmness, the kindness, having empathy for me as a person, it's a miracle. It's life-changing, and I just feel I owe everything to you. Thank you, Dr. Bhullar. Thank you, staff members, for everything. Love you guys, man.